What is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna answer the question, can you buy the ZX6R as your first motorcycle? And my answer is hell no. Do not buy this as your first motorcycle. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's it. Don't buy the motorcycle. Peace out. Alright, I'm just kidding. There's more to my answer than just don't buy it. So I'm saying no for your first motorcycle because this bike is heavy. It's very powerful. It has 127 horsepower, 636 cc's. The throttle is really sensitive, even in low power mode. You will probably hurt yourself if this is the first motorcycle you ever rode. But if you've ridden dirt bikes, if you have some experience, you know the throttle, you know the clutch, then I would say go ahead, because at least you have some experience, so you know how a motorcycle works. Or if you've taken the basic rider's course, you could also start on this bike. But if you have no experience at all, don't freaking buy this bike. You will probably get hurt. Even if you're a mature person but have no experience with motorcycles, still, like, I would not do it. So even me starting on the R3 with little experience with dirt bikes, I still did not have that throttle control yet. So I would like twist the throttle and my head would jerk back, my body would jerk back. I'm just like looking like a bobblehead riding the R3. But with this throttle is very sensitive. Just turning it just slightly, you're moving. So with the R3, you can turn it a little bit and it still wouldn't do anything. It's so forgiving. But with this, if you turn it just a tiny bit, you're going. It's very sensitive. So that's a reason why I would not start on this bike. It's not forgiving at all. The R3 is very forgiving. It's a perfect learner bike. If you're looking at getting your first motorcycle but want the ZX6R, I would definitely get a beater bike first. Get something really cheap, $1,000, $2,000, even if it's just a little dirt bike, and just learn how motorcycles work, because you're using both your hands, both your feet, trying to ride a motorcycle. So if you just need to get that muscle memory down, and then you can start on the ZX6R. But be careful, it's a lot of bike to start on. But yeah, so it's heavy, it's really powerful, not forgiving at all. The seat height is a lot higher. So if you're a shorter guy, like 5'7" or under, it's going to be tough to maneuver. You're going to have to learn how to use the 1 foot method, just putting 1 foot down when you're coming to a stop, because the seat height is almost 33 inches. But the 300 class, the R3, the Ninja 400, it's a lower seat, so you could probably flat foot. Even me at 5'7", I could almost flat foot the R3. But as a beginner, I still thought the R3 was pretty high. So also, if you're shorter, I would not start on the ZX6R, definitely not. Alright, so if you're looking for a first bike, definitely start on something smaller. Get your experience with something cheap, and then eventually, once you get your muscle memory down, your clutch is good, you're shifting good, throttle control is good, your braking is good, then you can eventually buy the ZX6R. But that's my opinion, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.